Just got back from a gig. I got some extra batteries left. So the question is, can I race with the 3.5-inch Cinewhoop? It's a pretty tight squeeze. We'll see. Alright. I'm hiding in the corner mostly because I'm scared. Because this thing's... I don't want to lose a toe. Can't believe Shadow's not moving. Definitely not going to want to sit there, Shadow. Ah, I caught it. Oh my gosh. Well, in case anybody asks if you can race a Cinewhoop, yes you can, but it's slow and not a good idea. Alright, we're going to transition from this big guy to this little guy. Actually get some fast laps. Alright, this is the last battery of the season. It's been a fun season. Thanks FPV Skittles for putting all this stuff on. RaceGOW's a blast. I'm really enjoying it.